wired a quarter ohm, but half ohm models.
So you have two 12Ks at quarter ohm each. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Oh, you got two 12Ks in here.
Yeah, they're both wired a quarter ohm, but half ohm models.
So you have two 12Ks at quarter ohm each.
Correct.
What was your other options?
It was 1 ohm or 16.
Okay. Yeah.
Series.
Did you have to climb through this port, or how did you rewire
You
it?
had to climb through it. I have some skinny friends that climb through it.
Okay. Nice. Looks good. All right. I'd be a little worried though. Is it ever protected? Wow.
I did one time.
One time?
I had to turn everything flat on this damn thing.
Yeah. And what did you? How have you metered?
I did a 145.9 the other day before one of the sub baskets broke. But I'm hoping to pull a 55 today at 42 hertz.
That's possible. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man. What is this tuned to in your port area on this?
46.
Okay, so it's tuned to 46. And then SCAR DDX 12s.
Right.
10 of them.
8 of them.
8, sorry, 8. 8 DDX 12s. Wow. Tuned to 46.
Base knob's going out. This potentiometer's going out. Just getting that stupid flat spots.
Yeah. Lithium's hidden. I was trying to find it.
Oh, it's on.
Okay.
Wood platforms. I'm trying to keep it clean as possible. 21. Oh yeah, I finally got the Tarmaps 400.4 on.
I can tell, man. It's screaming, and I like the tape. Head unit pop. USB.
God.
Turn your bass knob down. be a little worried though. Is it ever protected? Wow.
I did one time.
One time?
I had to turn everything flat on this damn thing.
Yeah. And what did you, how have you metered?
I did a 145.9 the other day before the sub, one of the sub baskets broke. But I'm hoping to pull a 55 today at 42 hertz.
That's possible. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.